We get to see ourselves.
No, you don't see yourself, so the only way for you to know what you look like is for somebody else to, to see you.
Can you run into other people, other players on the game?
Yes, but the chances of that are incredibly rare, just because of the size of what we're building.
Do you be able to play with your friends?
Yeah.
Can you grief other players?
A little bit.